The first plane load of undocumented immigrants from the Rio Grande Valley is here in San Diego tonight being processed. Their trip from Texas included a chartered jet, buses, and a significant change of plans after the convoy was met with heated protests.
And we have team coverage on this story. Our John Carroll live in San Ysidro, where the migrants are being evaluated and welcomed tonight by a number of demonstrators.
But we begin with San Diego 6's Derek Stahl to explain their 1,700-mile journey and the controversy surrounding it.
You are obstructing your roadway. You will be cited. Please pull that away.
Tempers ran hot as protesters tried to keep busloads of undocumented immigrants out of the Murrieta Border Patrol station and out of their community.
Return the sender! I haven't been gainfully employed. I started raising reptiles to put food on my table. And how are we going to feed these kids? You know, hundreds of thousands, supposedly, and I can't even feed my 4 kids. I mean, it's a bitter pill to swallow.
New pictures show just how packed Border Patrol facilities in Texas have become after a continuing surge of immigrant families and unaccompanied children flee Central America. Around 9 a.m., 136 immigrants were flown from McAllen International Airport to Lindbergh Field to ease up the overcrowding. They're mostly adults with young children, and they were loaded up on 3 buses and driven to Murrieta for processing. The Department of Homeland Security selected the station along with a handful of others because it's inland and will divert fewer resources from the border.
As these buses arrive, they're being met by angry protesters, throngs of people blocking the streets, not letting the buses through.
At times, protesters clashed with counter-protesters who came to support the migrants.
I think that this is going to be the Rosa Parks moment for immigration, when they realize that these are children that, through no fault of their own, are living in a very dangerous situation. If they don't leave, they're going to be killed by the drug gangs, the organized crime.
After a 30-minute stalemate, the buses eventually turned around and headed towards the freeway.
This is wrong!
But for these demonstrators, it doesn't stop there.
Humanely and kindly repatriate these individuals to their home countries where they're citizens, because we need to take care of our own children.
In Murrieta, Derek Stahl, San Diego 6 News.